Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're sick of your life being taken over by cords everywhere around the house, then you really need some cable organizing boxes. I got this set of 2 from Tamomic, and it has been so nice to keep everything tidy. It's always hard to tell just by looking at the cord itself, whether it's a lightning cable, a USB-C, a micro USB. And so what I did is I organized them according to the type of cord they are. That way I know exactly when I reach for them, hey, that's the one that's in this spot. This is also really nice because they have dividers in them that keep them really well separated. And they're big enough to hold things like the base of your chargers or headphones. We even have one section that is devoted to the nuts, bolts, and screws that my husband brings home in his pockets after work. When he's looking for them later, well, we know exactly where they are. These are nice and compact, and they can fit in a lot of different areas. These have been so nice for keeping things tidy around the house, and that's my point of view.